In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero Projects. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into the projects area, see all your work in one place, create a new project, and save it as a draft so you can refine it before sharing or invoicing. First, open Xero and sign into your organization's dashboard. If you work with more than one organization, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. This keeps your projects, contacts, and billing aligned with the right business. Once your dashboard loads, you're ready to move into the project tools. Next, look for projects in the main navigation. Depending on your layout, it may appear on the top menu or the side panel. Click Projects to open Xero's Project Management Workspace. This area is designed to help you track time, expenses, budgets, and profitability without leaving Xero, so it's a great place to centralize job-related activity. From here, click All Projects. This view gives you a complete list of current and past projects so you can quickly confirm whether a project already exists before creating a new one. It also helps you stay organized by showing statuses at a glance. If your list is long, use basic sorting or the search bar to find what you need more quickly. But for now, a quick scan is enough. To add something new, click New Project. This opens a clean project setup page. Think of it as your project's cover sheet. You'll enter the key information that defines what the work is, who it's for, and how you plan to bill and track it. Before you start typing, set the status to draft. Keeping a project in draft is helpful while you're still gathering details or waiting on approvals. With draft selected, enter the project details. Typically, this includes a clear project name, the customer or contact you're working with, an optional reference or internal code, and any notes that explain the scope. If your workflow uses budgets, estimates, or expected deadlines, add those here as well so you can monitor progress and profitability later. Use concise names and meaningful descriptions to make searching and reporting easier down the line. When everything looks good, save the project. Saving locks in your draft so you can return to it, add time entries, record expenses, and when you're ready, change the status and invoice from it. If you notice anything missing, you can always reopen the draft and adjust the details. That's it. You've opened Xero, navigated to projects, reviewed all projects, created a new project, set it to draft, entered the details, and saved. Follow these steps each time to keep your work organized and your job costs visible right where your accounting lives.